Level 10, Proficiency. The Lion and the Mouse. Amidst the tranquil silence of the forest, the lion, the majestic sovereign of beasts, slumbered peacefully beneath an ancient oak. A mouse, small and unwitting, scurried across his golden manor, disturbing his rest. With a swift movement, the lion ensnared the trembling creature beneath his colossal paw. "Foolish one," he thundered, "how dare you wake me? I could crush you in an instant." Shaking, the mouse implored, "Spare me, mighty king. Though I am but small, perhaps one day I may render you aid." The lion, amused by such audacity, laughed heartily and magnanimously granted the mouse his freedom. Fate soon turned. Hunters cast a cruel net upon the lion, binding him in cords he could not tear. His roars reverberated through the forest, cries of helpless rage. The mouse, recalling the kindness once shown, hastened to his side and gnawed through the ropes with tireless determination. At length, the lion was freed. Humbled, he bowed his proud head and said, "Truly, no act of mercy is ever wasted, for even the smallest may save the mightiest."